Today I am going to solve the fourth question of the blind articles. Here we have solved the array question, which is trying to get the product of the array except self. So here we can see the given an integer array nums. Return the array answer such as answer I is equal to the product of the all elements of the num except num I. The product of any prefix or suffix of num is guaranteed to fit in 32 bits integer. You may write algorithm that runs big O only without using division operation. So here you can see the array, and it is the product of, if you go to the first element, you have this product is 24, and if you reach to 2 except 2, you can see here is the 12 second array. So it is possible by just multiply all of the elements, like that is total 24, and itself divide individual element, you will get the desired array. So like 2 1, like 24 2, you will get desired array. But here is restriction, you should not use division. How is it possible? Like make an array like 1 2 6 24, and another array you have to make it like 4 12 24 24, and whichever element you are trying to get it here, like 1, you should multiply with the previous element, that is you should consider 1, and the next element you will get 24, so on. You have to again multiply with the previous element, you have to go 1 multiply with which one is the next one, so like 12, then you will get 12. So that's why you can calculate this is the another way. So let's calculate how it is possible in a code way. And you can see here not using any extra array, that means space complexity is 1, and time complexity, how many times we are doing here. So like big O first time, and second time is big O, means it has 2 big O equal to big O only time complexity. So let's code it in. So let's start. The first prefix need to be 1, and you want to return a result array. So result array would be like 1 multiply, you should create the array, multiply with len, it's the original array length. Then you have to iterate it with the length of like first you have to calculate first all element with the left side to right side. So how it is possible? Let's result I equal to, it's a prefix, And how to prefix, you have to calculate it. Prefix multiplied with the previous element, so like result no original one, original previous one element. Then you have to do same thing for the postfix. For postfix, how will do the postfix, you have to multiply with same thing, you have to do the multiplication for the postfix. Postfix, we will do the right direction to the left multiplication of every element at each point. So like range, lane, nums, and you have to write it like result I, result I, you have to multiply with postfix. So post, whatever the postfix we are getting. How next postfix we have to calculate it? Postfix, it should be calculated with nums I, but this array should run in a backward direction. So how it is possible? So like first of all, it should be -1, length of the -1, and it has to be iterate for the last number to the -1, and it has to start from the -1 position. -1 position, it would be the last position of the array, and whatever the we are getting the result element, you have to return it and then run it. Let's see it's working or not. Invalid error. So like yeah, it's accepted, and let's submit.